In this video, I'll guide you through how you can download and install Google Chrome on laptop and PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To download and install Google Chrome on laptop and PC, you have to open a web browser, but for me I am going with Brave. Then you have to search for Google Chrome download. Then open the first option of the website. Now you have to click on Download Chrome and choose your download location and click on Save button. Then Google Chrome will download on your computer. Now find the install file and double click on it to install it on your computer. Then Google Chrome will install on your computer. This process takes up to few minutes. Once the installation is complete, then click on Close button. Then this kind of page will appear. Now you have two different ways to use Google. Google Chrome. You can go with sign in option or you can go with sign out option. Let's go with the second one and choose your profile name and click on Done button. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily download and install Google Chrome on your laptop and PC.